I feel like everyone wants a massage therapist. People like massage. They get it frequently. They get it for back pain. They get it for all these different ailments that they have. And some people just want to relax. And sometimes it's the only time in their life that they have peace and silence and they can just be themselves.
Obviously we can help with pain, musculoskeletal pain. One of the best things is working with other health professionals, especially chiropractors. They really benefit from us when we give a massage and then they give people adjustments. Those adjustments hold a lot longer and those people have results that last a lot longer.
The professors we had really gave us that comfortable space to be vulnerable.
It was a safe environment for us. I loved my classmates. We had a lot of fun giving each other a massage, learning about it.
People get scared around elderly and kids and all of the different populations out there, and I feel like Morrisville really prepped me to be ready for all of those different people.
You're going to have a really good background, but that also means that you're going to have to work hard too, which I think also gives you an upper hand for maybe some schools that don't have a good science background. Massage therapy is definitely my passion. It is the most rewarding thing I've done so far in my life. It makes me feel good that I've helped someone, even if it's just one person a day. I think that it makes the world a better place.